Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Snapgene. So first, when you open the Snapgene, so it looks like this, and then from here, you have to open from here, and I'll just click the open recent one. So this how it looks like. So first, when you open your plasmid by using the Snapgene, so it looks like this. So this is the sequence, and if you want to get the map, so you just click the map, and then you get the plasmid map. So here you will see the all of the part are labeled. So I will show you here how to label this kind of different sequence in using the Snapgene. So for that you have to go to the sequence, and then just desired some part you have to select it, and then in the features. So if you want to just add features, just like, and then add features, and then click and the label what you want to write in this part. So just for example, this is just uh, coding region, okay, and then you want to choose the color from here, and okay. So then you will get this kind of part. So this is the coding region, and when you click this cursor, just take your cursor here, so it will show you that it is the coding region. And also the base pair, this is only 43 base pair long. See, this is the 43 base pair long. So this is by this way. And also if you want to remove these features, you just right click and remove features, and okay, that's it. And also if you want to add any sequence here, just take your cursor here, and you just type, just insert what you want. Let's assume just I want to insert G, C, and T, then insert. So here you see here the G and C and T, these three nucleotides are inserted in the specific place. If you want to delete this part, so just select it, and select it and delete. Just directly delete from your keyboard. Delete 3 base pair. That's it. So this is the very useful tool actually. And also if you want to, you can also select primer. You can also make primer by using the Snapgene. For example, so this is this part. So if you want to create a primer here, so let's assume this is the from the GC part. GC, actually this is the strong part. So whenever you make a primer, so just start from the GC, and this is around 25 to 30 base pair long. So let's assume this is the around 30 bp long. Okay, no problem. So but you have to make sure that the GC content should be 60%, then it will be a good primer actually. But this is the 37%, this is not actually very good primer. So just this is not the good part actually. So just let's get the another. Okay, so this, okay, no problem. 50% GC, that's okay. 50% GC, and this is 30 base pair long. So if you want to just create a primer in this sequence, then just click here primer, add primers, top strand, and just rename your primer here. If you want to rename just whatever you want, just write here. So if you want, for example, I want to write primer 1A forward, and okay. And if you want to change your color, so you want to change your color from here, red, and add primer to template. That's it. So this is the forward primer, and also the reverse primer the same way. So reverse primer, let's assume from here you want to create the reverse primer. Okay, so this is the reverse primer. So 30 bp long, and also like the same way, just select it and primers, add primers. So this is the bottom strand, it should be. So primer 1A reverse. If you want to choose the color, you can choose accordingly. Okay, so that's it. And then, so if you take your cursor here, so it will show the details the primer. So this is the 43% GC, one binding site, 60% TM. That's okay. And this is also TM 64 degree, 30 base pair, and 50% GC. Okay.